How does one prepare himself or herself to succeed at personal and professional front in the modern world?
Well, it doesn't really matter, what degree you take or what professional qualification you have. Most of the students that I see nowadays, are like to take their admissions in computer technology or biomedical or computer science. Um, I think engineering per se teaches us to be more disciplined, right? And that's the differentiation factor between a graduate and a professional graduation, right? Engineering brings a lot of discipline, the kind of projects we had. I still remember my days being a mechanical engineer, the vivas, the orals, the pressure on exams. I think that teaches and hones somebody to be a more professional and more disciplined in nature. Well, what really happens when you start your career really is you should first take a job uh, which is aligned to your professional life, right? So, for example, I deliberately have chosen to be part of manufacturing industry in Godrej after mechanical engineering because that kind of goes hand in hand. So, first 4 to 5 years, I think a professional should spend first in the area that they have mastered into, so that you can apply your uh, all the skills and the knowledge that you have learned and earned into the practical world and actually see yourself how does it translate. And after you really see the implementation of your knowledge that you have gained over this period of 4 5 years, you kind of get a sense check on yourself saying that is this something which I want to continue as my profession? It does not necessarily mean that just because you are graduating in XYZ field, you need to make your career in that. I am also not saying that live by a day, right? You need to plan things in your career. But for me, in 1990s, I think the tool room for mechanical engineers was a feast. The manufacturing experience with German machines and whole experience was really a great experience. But today, I'm not designing gears in the tool room, right? I'm doing something else. And how does this transformation happens really is you try to get into a stream of general management in your career where you ask yourself a question whether you want to be a specialist or you want to be a generalist, right? When I say general skills, there are general skills and there are special skills. When you choose to take the general skills or general management skills, you can have your own career path in that stream. And industry really doesn't make any difference to that. Be it media, be it FMCG or retail or manufacturing. I think you need to just make sure that you gain your experiences in general management skills, create high performance teams, and just move on and take different assignments, right? If you're a specialist in that matter, like if you have a special, say for example, statistical analysis software experience or something like you have passion for embedded technologies, I think you need to be very careful in choosing your field there because you exactly know where you want to go or what you want to aim for. I think that's about it, right?